everyone, I'm Grace from Lint and Stitches. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I realized today that we have a bunch of stocking stuffers on our online store that you might be interested in. I'd love to share them with you today. Number 1, chapstick holder. Everyone always has chapped lips whenever it's cold outside. Slide it in there. It fits chapstick, lip gloss, lipstick. You can put it on your key rings, your purse, your backpack, whatever you need, and never lose your chapstick again. Number 2, we have key fobs. We made them a little bit larger. We added little cute charms on here, so you can put it on your purses, your keys, you can put it on your wallets, and that way you just have a cute little accessory to add to it. Number 3, I don't want to forget about all the book lovers out there, so I'm going to show you all the little goodies we have. We have little tea bag bookmarks, and these are just a couple of the ones that we have, but if you go to our website, that will be linked in the description below, you can find so many other designs. We have this cute little denim one with little daisies on the tab. We have another one that is strawberry. We have corner bookmarks. We have large ones. Here's some minis. You'll just put your page between right here and it'll hold your place. And number 4, still talking to all my book lovers, we have little pen holders for you. So you connect it to the front of your book so you can hold your pens and your highlighters or whatever else you need. Here's another variety of pen holders. We have them with the zippers, so you can just open it up and then you slide your pen in and you pull it right back up. And here we have the larger ones. We got little funky zippers on here to match the little funky vibe. And when you open it, you have the correlating fabric inside. You can put your scissors in here, you can put highlighters, glasses, sticky notes, whatever else you need in here. They all go on the same way with the elastic on the back. Number 5, we have little earbud or AirPod cases. It also comes with a little wristlet. And it also has matching fabrics. This one was just a cream. They snap open and closed, and you can take the wristlet off, and you can put on one of the key fobs. You could also attach it to your key rings, to your purses, your backpack. I know none of these match, but I'm just showing you. For example, you can put your chapstick holder, the key fob, and you can have your keys and everything else that you need with you just on one little key ring. For number 6, we have little tissue pouches. And yes, I'm going to bring back in the key fob because you can connect it to your key fob and you can put it with your keys, your purse, your backpacks, and you can always have your tissues. And it's super convenient because it's not a zip or anything. You just spread this open and then you just reach in and you grab your tissue. And number 7, we have little gift card pouches. We have these in Christmas theme, and we also have others on the website if you want to go check those out. So if you plan on giving someone a gift card, I'm going to use this credit card for example. You just pop it open, you slide it in, and you put it in their little stockings. And number 8, we have a keychain wallet. It's super convenient because you can put lady products, chapsticks, credit cards, your license, everything that you need in here. And you can connect it to your little key fob. Number 9, zipper pouches. You can put your phone, your earbuds, literally whatever else you think would fit in here that you need. This one has a cute coordinating fabric. It's blue butterflies, and it has little blue polka dots in there. It also comes with a matching little charm. You can roll it up, just like so, and you can stick it in their stockings. They are all quilted, and it also has a coordinating fabric, along with a little charm. We also have the larger ones, and it also comes with a coordinating fabric, and also a little charm. This one's a little strawberry to match. They're so soft, and they're all washable. Number 11. These are like the 2.0 of the other zipper pouches because they have a ruffle! The inside matches the little ruffle. Number 12. We have little gingerbread wax melts. This scent is the sugar cookie. And then the other one that we have is the frosted vanilla cupcakes. I wish y'all could smell these because these smell delicious. I hope y'all found something that you found interesting to put in someone else's stocking or your own. And thank y'all for watching and spending time with me. God bless y'all.